The Titan PGD 3200X post driver is a game-changing and versatile tool with many uses. Today we're going to turn the 3200X loose on a tent install and give you a close-up look at the top throttle kit and the tent stake adapter sleeve. The 3200X makes preparing for this job as easy as unscrewing the threaded barrel cap, inserting the tent stake adapter, and securing it with the cap. Once the adapter is installed, the driver is ready to go. You can customize these drivers with various handle configurations, including the top throttle kit, which allows you to transition from a lower throttle grip to an upper throttle grip while you drive your post or stake. This will also save your back a lot of strain and prevent you from bending over or changing body positions frequently while you're working. The auto reset kill switch is really convenient, allows you to stop driving at any point of the process, but once the button is released, it's fully reset, the driver can be restarted, and you can continue working. The ergonomic handle and the internal dampening springs also make this driver a lot more comfortable to use over extended periods of time and reduces operator fatigue. So we're going to hand off these drivers to a couple of the professionals who work in the event service industry every day setting up and tearing down tents. We'll let them use them on the remaining stakes and see how they like them. So I'm here with Dave from Windswept Event Services. He's been here, part of the crew, working on setting up the tent here today. Dave, have you ever used a gas-powered driver before today?
No, absolutely not. This was the first time I ever used one. I do know that we do a lot of work out here with stake driving, and we swing a lot of hammers, and it's a lot of work for our crew. And these guys showed me this. It was extremely easy to use, and it also saved us a lot of time. Saved us probably, it was about an hour's job that we turned into about 15 minutes. The stakes are like the backbone of the tent. So like without them, that's what holds everything together, keeps them from blowing away or us having any trouble. So the quicker we can get those in, the quicker we can get moving. And these things worked absolutely great.
That's awesome. And you said you guys also use a machine attachment sometimes, but depending on the ground conditions, you're tearing things up.
Absolutely.
Versus this way.
We bring a big machine in, and there's times that we just cannot get that machine in to where we need to be. And that's when we have to bust out the sledgehammers. You know, when you're pounding in 15, 20 stakes, you know, it's a lot of work. And like I said, it took us 15 minutes here.
That's
and good. You guys also showed me how to use these in about 10 minutes, and there's no problems using them. They're very easy to use, and I like them, man.
Awesome.
Really would like them.
How many do you want?
As many as you can get. How many guys on my crew?
Sounds good. So there you have it. Save time, energy, and effort with the Titan X Series post drivers and customizable accessories like the top throttle kit and the tent stake adapter sleeve.